So we are at Lexar booth here in IFA 2024. Let's take a look at some interesting innovation by Lexar. Right with you. So this is what I want to show you. So it's a new product from Lexar.
And you also can check we have those post cells in the crystal.
Okay. So this is what I want to show you. A new product from Lexar. This is the flash drive, but higher speed, 1050 megabytes speed. This one is 1 terabyte. We have a 2 terabyte sample as well, and this thing can go into your iPhone, and you can expand the capacity of your camera and shoot with it. Much more bigger files, more resolution, more time. This system is modular, so you have the expansion here in a form of a hub. So it goes like this, and then you have the optional 2 more inputs to get some lighting, as you see, and maybe some microphone, so you get sound and vision expansion as well, all in one. And as you can see, one connection to the phone, then to the memory, and on to the light and microphone, all in one. You can see the example here. And you can work with it in a more compact way. So they have this adapter, you can see, and instead of going, I'll show you. So you can work like this. So you have an expansion in this form, or you can make it more compact if you're using a gimbal, let's say, or you want a shorter form. You have this adapter. You have this adapter, and as you can see, it goes like this. And you can connect the hub, as I showed you before, and the memory as well, directly to your phone. That way, it's taking less space, stronger form, and you can use your gimbal easier this way. So we have the gimbal here with the model on it. Yes, very nice and very compact. And the most important thing, you have a lot of memory and a fast one, so you can use it. You can use this device also in Android device, but it doesn't record directly to the native app. So you have to manually transfer the files, but still it's a very convenient one piece of equipment that you carry with you with a lot of capabilities. And we have here the extension cable, of course. So if you have this more professional setup, you can connect it by the cable. You have a mount here, so you can get it in your cage or whatever your setup is. So this is it, guys. Really nice innovation here from Lexar. They thought about all the details. And this was it. Let's get to the next booth. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.